my stamp is already dry. Now it's time to see where on the paper it is going to be stamped. And sometimes I want things to be big. I'm gonna attach these two sheets of papers together, because I want to stamp a lot. But if you do one, that's fine, okay? You don't have to do two. You may glue them together as well. I'm taping. So what you want to do at first is to draw an arrow in any diagonal of your square. So I'm gonna do one line in the diagonal, okay? And point my arrow to one corner. This will be pretty much important, okay? So make sure it's the diagonal. Next step now is I have to see how many squares of this will fit on my paper. What I'm doing is I'm putting my square here and then tracing a line, and then I'm moving and tracing, moving and tracing, just like that. So do this in all of your space, including the ends if it's just a few, because I need to cut this later. So this part, left over, leave it over there. And then you move to the other side and you will draw, trace very lightly, don't do dark. But we'll be tracing just to have an idea where to stamp. Oh, I forgot here. It doesn't need to be perfect, it can be erased later. So do light lines. Okay, now you're going to the first spot over here, and you're going to point your arrow to the center, to the first one here, exactly here. You're gonna skip one and make this circle again in the next one. You're gonna skip one and make this circle again in the next one, even if you don't have a space over there. We're gonna be stamping this way with the arrow pointing to the center all the time. As we go up, if my stamp is here, there is no dots here, my next bow needs to be there. So I don't have the line here. I can make it. So I'm gonna have one dot here, skip one, one here, skip one here, skip one here. So in your paper have something like that. Let's do one at a time so we can see better. Let's go do the first one, okay? Let's get ready. You can have markers or paint. Choose one medium. I'm going to be using paint, and only 2 colors is enough. 3 max, don't use more than 3 colors or you won't have time to do the printing step. So I'm getting green paint and blue paint, remember our square? And 2 paint brushes, 1 for each color. This is going to be important too, so you don't have to wash your brushes between the stamp parts. So what we're doing is you have to decide which areas you want to be which color, and that color is going to stick into the rest of the printing process. So I'm getting the green, and I want to make this heart leaf shape in green, but also this triangle here on the top. The other ones are going to be blue, so paint in blue, or paint in the color that you have, that you're using. You're going to make it as quick as possible. And now as you turn, make your arrow pointing to the center. So you're gonna put on the paper and massage carefully, not to move it. So press carefully. Raise the paper, your print's going to be there. You're gonna repeat this process with the same colors and the same spots. So if these were green, green again, green again, green again, and then blue again. Blue word needs to be blue, green word needs to be green. We are repeating. For the second one, I'm going to move my tile to the next square, arrow pointing to that center, and press. Massage carefully, not to move, and remove. There you go. You're gonna repeat this on the other one and in the next one. So let's do it. To show you that I forgot to put the green paint on. There is no problem. I can come back, add the green. I'm not adding the blue though, as the blue is already there. And as I know the position, I know that the arrow should be in the dots I have previously made. I will try to put as much on the same spot as I can and do the same thing. Press, massage, and remove. Fixed. Problem solved. When you are done printing, you are going to clean up your space. Wash your brushes, clean the space that you used, leave everything neat and organized. Once your paper is dry, use an eraser to erase the guidelines we have done before.